Okay, here it is all done. Yours wants to run just a little bit faster than mine. It's around 11.4 volts. On the torches, I'm going to light them up and show you the torches, but you can't have them wide open. Wide open, this thing really wants to move too fast and it'll overpower the case spin. And so we'll get the torches lit up. Okay, that's wide open on this torch, and I'm cutting them back to right about there, where it's basically kind of at the edge of the plate there. You can kind of see I kind of set it up so it's right about there on that one, and then I try and match it with the other one. Like so. Then I got it set at 11.4. I've got some 750 in this one, Tempelac, and we're gonna let her run and see what happens. See it turn there just perfect. It looks like it's sitting just about perfect at 11.4. I just wanted to run it, try and make sure we didn't have any problems. I've been kind of picky with the case spin. It was getting a little funky on me, but looks like we got her all whooped out now. But as I say, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this and try and leave the arms and everything set up and get them tightened out real good so they don't get moved in shipping, so then it's all set up for 223 for you. The power supply you can't help, but if you go over here, the amps on this, I just turn it all the way up and leave it. You just do all the adjustments for how fast it advances with the voltage knob. And that's how you adjust how long it'll sit in the flame, which in turn, how long it sits in the flame, which will in turn, give you your annealing temperature. I use 750 on the insides of the neck. Wait till it melts. Leave it there for just a touch, and then let it go. And then right here is the case spin. And on yours, I've got it turned all the way onto the slow side. I've got everything labeled here. Slow's over here, fast over here on this one. This is your case spin on and off, label of course, and then the case advance. I always turn the case spin on first, and then of course you can load from anywhere you want. You got all the way over to here that you can have cases, so you can be putting your cases on over in this area, or you can set them over here wherever you want. Over here it gets kind of warm from the flames. Right here it's not too bad. So that's where we're going to have it. I'm going to take the torches off, the torch heads off, for shipping, but I will be putting marks on them where I've got them set. And as you can see on this one's basically set pretty much as flush as you can go. But on this one, I'll put a mark on it where it's at, you can repeat it. But all this is stuff you're going to have to learn. I've only been doing it by trial and error. This is only the first one I built. I probably won't build too many more of them. But you can set it by trial and error. But you want to get the same distance from this torch to the case as is from this torch to the case. And I'm going to be totally honest with you. As fast as this thing's going, I don't know why this one wants to run so fast. You could probably get by on 223 running one torch and then slowing it down just a little bit. Those are all options. What I found is that if we get the voltage up around 12 volts, it's bumping that plate. It's bumping this plate fast enough. It wants, and when the cases hit the case spin, it wants to wobble them. So trying to advance the plate way too fast, it overruns the case spin. Just a note. Didn't realize it was going to do that. Yours is running about a volt faster than mine. These torches must be putting out just a little bit more than mine. They were the same. As I said in the email, I can't ship the propane cans with it. It's just you had to sign too many paperwork and whatnot, so I'm not going to ship it with the tanks. But you can use any tanks. You can use these fat ones. You can use the green Coleman ones that you buy at Walmart. 2 of them for $5.95. And you can also use the long ones with it. Whichever ones you want, you can use. Well, there you have it. If you have any questions, just give me a holler. I'm going to get it boxed up tonight and get it off to you. Hope everything is explained enough. And as I say, if it's not, just ask questions, and I'll help with what I can.